For many older riders, the idea of ATV maintenance can feel more stressful than riding itself. Tools, schedules, manuals, and the fear of doing something wrong often turn a simple check into something people avoid. But here's the truth. Stress-free maintenance is not about being a mechanic. It's about small, regular checks that keep your ATV comfortable, reliable, and predictable. Today, we're talking calmly and clearly about what to check every 1,000 kilometers, about 600 miles, so your ATV stays dependable without turning ownership into a chore. This routine applies perfectly to the ATVs we've been talking about. Yamaha Grizzly 700, Yamaha Kodiak 700, Honda 4Trax Foreman and Rubicon, Suzuki King Quad models, Polaris Sportsman 450 and 850, CF Moto C-Force models, Arctic Cat Altera, and similar machines. No racing, no extreme use, just normal trail riding, light work, and enjoyment. As we go through this, think of it as a quiet habit, not a repair session, and feel free to add your own tips in the comments so others can learn from your experience. The first and most important check every 1,000 kilometers is engine oil and oil condition. You don't need to be an expert to do this. Simply checking the oil level and looking at its color already tells you a lot. Oil should look reasonably clean and smooth, not thick, gritty, or burnt smelling. On ATVs like the Honda Foreman, Yamaha Kodiak, or Suzuki King Quad, clean oil is one of the main reasons engines last for many years. Even if you're not changing the oil yet, just confirming that the level is correct gives peace of mind. Low oil creates heat, and heat is the enemy of comfort and reliability. Ask yourself this: would you rather spend 2 minutes checking oil or risk a ride filled with worry? Next comes air filter inspection, which is especially important for trail riders. Dust, pollen, and fine dirt slowly build up even if you ride calmly. A clogged air filter makes the engine work harder, reduces smooth throttle response, and increases fuel consumption. On most ATVs, including Polaris Sportsman, CF Moto C-Force, and Arctic Cat Altera, checking the air filter is simple and doesn't require special tools. You're not looking for perfection, just obvious dirt buildup. A clean filter helps the engine breathe easily, and when the engine breathes easily, it runs smoother and quieter. Smooth running is not just mechanical comfort, it's mental comfort too. Every 1,000 kilometers, it's also wise to check coolant level and signs of overheating, even if your ATV has never overheated. Coolant should be at the proper level and free from discoloration. Over time, small coolant losses can occur without obvious leaks. On liquid-cooled ATVs like the Yamaha Grizzly 700 or Can-Am Outlander, proper cooling keeps engine temperatures stable during slow trail riding. Stable temperatures mean consistent power and less wear. Overheating often starts quietly, and catching it early keeps riding stress-free. Another simple but important check is tires and tire pressure. Tire pressure has a huge impact on comfort, especially for older riders. Tires that are too hard make the ride harsh and tiring. Tires that are too soft can feel unstable and increase steering effort. Checking pressure every 1,000 kilometers helps maintain a smooth, predictable ride. While you're there, look for cracks, cuts, or uneven wear. ATVs like the Suzuki King Quad and Yamaha Kodiak rely heavily on tire traction for stability. Good tires reduce vibration, improve confidence, and lower physical strain. Do you notice how much better an ATV feels when the tires are just right? Brakes deserve calm attention as well. Every 1,000 kilometers, take a moment to check brake feel and brake components. You're not disassembling anything, just paying attention. Do the brakes feel smooth and consistent? Do they grab suddenly or feel weak? Look at the brake fluid level if your ATV uses hydraulic brakes. Reliable brakes reduce mental stress on the trail. When you trust your brakes, you ride more relaxed. On machines like the Honda Rubicon or Polaris Sportsman, consistent braking is a key part of long-term comfort and safety. Drive system checks are another area that sounds complicated, but really isn't. For CVT-equipped ATVs like Yamaha, Polaris, CF Moto, and Arctic Cat, listen for unusual noises and feel for changes in engagement. Smooth takeoff and predictable engine braking usually mean the system is healthy. For gear-driven ATVs like Honda Foreman or Rubicon, check for smooth shifting and unusual resistance. You're not fixing anything, you're simply noticing changes. Catching small changes early prevents larger problems later. Have you ever noticed how reassuring it is when an ATV behaves the same way ride after ride? Every 1,000 kilometers is also a good time to do a general bolt and fastener check. ATVs vibrate. That's normal. Over time, bolts can loosen slightly. A quick visual and hand check of racks, skid plates, exhaust mounts, and suspension components helps prevent rattles and surprises. You don't need to tighten everything aggressively. Just ensure nothing is obviously loose. Quiet machines feel more solid, and solid machines feel more comfortable. Electrical systems deserve a brief look too. Check that lights, display screens, and switches work properly. Good visibility is a comfort and safety feature, especially for riders who avoid rushing. On modern ATVs like Polaris Sportsman or Yamaha Grizzly, electronics are generally reliable, but simple checks prevent frustration later. There's something calming about knowing everything works before you head out. Chain and shaft components, depending on your ATV, should also be visually inspected. For shaft-driven ATVs, which include most utility models, look for leaks around seals and joints. You're not hunting problems, you're confirming normal operation. These small observations build confidence over time. Finally, every 1,000 kilometers is a good moment for a short test ride close to home. Listen, feel, and observe. Does the ATV start easily? Does it idle smoothly? Does it feel the same as it did before? Consistency is the goal. ATVs like the Yamaha Kodiak, Suzuki King Quad, and Honda Foreman are loved because they feel familiar every time you ride them. Familiarity reduces stress, and reduced stress is what makes riding enjoyable. Stress-free maintenance is not about doing everything. It's about doing enough regularly and calmly. These small checks protect not only your ATV, but your confidence as a rider. When you trust your machine, you relax. And when you relax, riding becomes what it was always meant to be, enjoyable. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which maintenance check gives you the most peace of mind? And which one do you tend to overlook? Share your habits and experiences in the comments. Your insight may help someone else ride with less stress and more confidence.